Now we are going to add on to the first three notes that we have learned, which are D, C, and B flat, to create almost a B flat major scale. The first new note that we will learn is E flat. Finger a D, D again, thumb, middle finger in the left hand, ring finger in the left hand, right hand, first finger down, middle finger, ring finger. Finger a D. The only difference between D and E flat is the addition of the pinky. There you have it, an E flat. From E flat to F, slightly more complicated, F uses all three fingers in the left hand, index, middle, ring, and thumb, and only the first finger in the right hand, index, along with the pinky. So, in order, our new notes are E flat and F. When we add these two notes to the other three that we have already learned, we have the first 5 notes of a B flat major scale. Remember to keep your tongue involved in these exercises like we learned in the previous chapter on tonguing. It's very important and great exercise. Scales are a fantastic exercise to learn how to use your tongue. Let me show you a great articulation and tonguing exercise involving these 5 notes, including the 2 that you just learned. We'll play each note twice, starting with half notes. Half notes have 2 beats, and then we will rest in between each note. So we'll do the B flat, rest for 4 beats, 2 C half notes, rest for 4 beats, 2 Ds, and so forth. I'll give you 4 beats to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. With the space in between each note, it's a little easier to find our new fingering. And the more that you do this scale pattern, the easier it will get, and the less time you'll need to find this space. Let's try the same exercise. Instead of 2 half notes, we'll do 4 quarter notes. This time, we won't leave a space in between each note. I'll give you 4 beats to start. 1, 2, 3, 4. There you have it, the first 5 notes of a B flat major scale and a wonderful articulation exercise.